came back from the bathroom and I looked at my hair, and I'm looking at it now and it looks good. It looks good. But I'm going to come back and let you guys see what it looks like after. So we'll be back tomorrow, but editing will be back in a few seconds. And we're back. So as you can tell by my face, I love the results. I love the ORS Color Blast, period. I don't know what it is that Color Blast has that is so different than the As I Am. I don't know what it is. I guess because the smell of the As I Am is so amazing that it just makes me want this to be better. But it's not, in my opinion, it's not. I'll do the golden bars, or no, not more so the golden bars. I'll do the ORS over the As I Am all day, every day. The result, amazing. The only thing is the flaking, like that's it. But of course that's going to happen. It is a temporary color. It's a temporary color. It's not going to last forever. But this is making, y'all see that, like I have extra product just chilling on my face. Not my face, but my head. But like this color is 1000% making me want to get my hair cut and colored. 1000%. Pros and cons from that. Well, the pros and cons are the same as it was with the other video I did with the As I Am and the ORS curls, the sangria color. But now what I will talk about is pros and cons for this color. The As I Am did not give me what I thought it was going to give. The As I Am gave me something like almost a yellow color. This golden bars. This golden bars is giving exactly what this color is like. Like, do you see the exact, it's exactly what it's supposed to look like. Like, exactly. That color is dead on, spot on, correct. I really like it. I like the ORS, and I will probably use this the most, especially come this summer. I don't see anything wrong with this. Anybody that's looking for temporary colors, I suggest you use the ORS because I just feel that it's the best. It's the best out of the As I Am. Now, if you don't mind like having a soft, loose hold, I'll say, then you should go with the As I Am. The As I Am, it's a curling gel. So gel versus a wax, there's a major difference. Major. I wonder what these two would be like mixed together. I wonder. I wouldn't do it, but I wonder what it would look like being mixed together, like how that product would hold in your hair. I am on the ORS side. I love the As I Am scent, but I'm on the ORS side when it comes to longevity, styling, the hold, the feel. It's ORS for me all the way. I don't even want another color because in my other video I told you guys that I was looking for the golden bars. Amazon had it, so I got it, and we're good. We're good. I mean, I could still just go back and forth using the sangria color and the golden bars color. I can just go back and forth using these two and just be satisfied and happy. But I am very pleased with the end result. And I waited 24 hours before I separated, fluffed, and picked my hair. And I guess it did well. The only thing is my hair is in that awkward stage to where it's like on the sides it's very heavy. Typically I have my hair shaved on the sides. Like I've been rocking that style since maybe 2018, I think. 2018 was the first time I did like shave sides, kind of like mohawkish style. And I just grew to love it. Like that became my signature look. Love it. But yeah, so the ORS is a win for me. So if you're in the, market to not wanting to get your hair cut but wanting to do something different to it, but you don't want to go a permanent route, ORS Curls Unleashed Color Blast. They have a variety of colors. So all of them come with the QR code, and you can just scan that code and it'll take you to the website, and you can find other colors. There we go. You can find other colors and whatever else you desire when it comes to the Color Blast. So hopefully you were able to, you know, put your QR code, get the QR code, and you can see all of the colors that they have. It's a variety of them. But that's my review on the ORS Curls Unleashed Color Blast, with the color being golden bars. I love it. This will more than likely be my summer color that I will continue to put in my hair for probably the rest of the summer. Maybe. More than likely. But maybe. I don't know. You guys may see me in my next video with, you know, my brownish black hair. I don't know. But why didn't y'all tell me this curl was sticking up like that? Oh, and the feel of my hair. So I told you guys that I used the Honey Baby hair gel for the styling, the initial styling. And the last time I used it with the sangria, it came out hard crunch good, because that's what I like. I like a good hard crunch. I don't like that soft hold. That's not for me. I like for my hair to stay and last for as long as I can make it stay and last. And that's what it has been doing for me. However, when I used it this time, the hold is there, but it's very, very soft. And I don't know how I honestly feel about it. I mean, I'm okay, but it's just different because I know that gel is like my go-to stronghold when I don't want my hair to move. And I'm sorry guys if the light is messing you up when it comes to my glasses, but I can't see without them. You gotta put on his glasses, put his glasses on him. I can't really see if I don't, and I won't be able to read. Oh, that's one thing I wanted to tell you guys. So it says the ORS is a vivid color for up to 1 week. So you can keep this in your hair for up to 1 week. I try to stretch it, but mind your business. It defines and elongates curls. It's a quick application. Definitely agree. It stays on until washed out. Absolutely. No damage. Low color transferred once dry. That's a lie. Well, I won't say that's a lie, but you will get flakes. It does flake on you. You get, I got flakes on me right now. Yeah. It does flake on you, and there's nothing you can get past that. Like, it's just what it is. Provides a medium to firm hold for a soft touch finish. Apply on damp hair or after adding a small amount of leave-in conditioner, lotion, or cream to the hair. All claims are based on instrumental or consumer testing. You're welcome, ORS, because I tested this for you again. Love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. And that's really all I have to say for this one. Just watch my previous videos on my hair coloring, I guess you could say, and you know, just go from there. It's been a journey. I'm not gonna get any other colors, but if I see some other colors, I'm gonna think about it. Try to go outside of the box, do like a blue. Did I really say that? I don't mean it at all. I do not mean it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until I make my next one, I'll see you guys then. And don't forget to listen to Niece Ava. Bye.
Subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.